So my name is Robert Booth. I'm a Director of Client Engagement at Accelirate. I basically am in one of the directors that is in control of our actual implementations at our various clients across various different verticals. And as well in tandem, I am running the process analysis sector of what we do here at Accelirate. So the name of the program that we're going to be that we're introducing is called Accelirated Discovery. So it's literally a play on words of process discovery, but it's a program that I specifically created here at Accelerate. And what we're trying what we're solving essentially is the problem of process discovery and identifying processes and candidates for automation and being able to provide that in a very consistent and methodical way for our clients. So the way Accelerated Discovery is structured is into 4 different phases, each with their own set of deliverables. So the first phase is called standardize, the second phase is called categorize, the third phase organize, and the last rationalize. And then the last phase is when you actually get the real big output that everybody wants, which is an automation pipeline. But before that, there's a strict set of deliverables for each phase, so you always know at which part of the implementation you are currently at and be able to progress, monitor your status in a more efficient and effective manner. Well, our target is any customer who is trying to digitally transform their organization. So we really adopt the automation mindset. And that's something that I really feel across the board that you need to have in order to be successful with any automation initiative. So really think about transforming your organization instead of just going in blind and trying to see what processes are good for automation and what are not. You need to have a more holistic view. And that's what we're trying to solve with this by identifying these candidates through a very methodical way, through our own criteria, as well as what the client wants, and be able to give them a full 360-degree view of their organization and their departments. So we actually have 2 successful implementations of this thus far since we rolled out this program in the summer. And it's in the financial services industry in that vertical, but again, the overall methodology can apply across any industry vertical. And to be honest, Accelerated Discovery, though that is the name of our program, what it's based on is process discovery. Process discovery, everybody has done it whether they knew it or not, but the way that we're doing it now and the reason why it's a lot more effective is that we broke down the components of what everybody does in process discovery, and then we put them in a very structured way, and we are able to have, with our set of deliverables and our methodology, deliver in a more efficient manner.